Okay, so we have the sexy lineup over here. We have the Model S, the Model 3, and the Model X 1/18th diecast models from Tesla. I actually did a video on this like last week or so. Well, about a day later, Tesla released the Tesla Semi. Now it is not a 1/18th scale as those are. It's actually a 1/24th, probably because a 1/18th scale would be this tall, maybe? It'd be a lot taller. So they went with the 1/24th on this. So let's get into it. As soon as it came on the website, I bought one, so I don't think there are that many actually floating around. Well, this is a much bigger box. We are wrapped in plastic. There's the Semi. So let's go ahead and get this open. Let me know down below if any of you guys ordered this too. It is not cheap. This one also comes in at $250. So between this and my sex collection, God, that sounds really bad. But my Model S, my Model 3, and the Model X back here, and this, that's like $1,000. So you're welcome, Tesla. So here we got that great picture over there, the Tesla logo, another great one right there. That one says Tesla on the top, Tesla on the bottom, choking hazards, you know, the usual. I'm anticipating, oh, okay, well I was getting ready to say I am anticipating the styrofoam and everything again, but this is definitely not styrofoam. This is like the recycled paper stuff. First look, are we ready? Ooh, it looks good. I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing first, certificate of authenticity, Semi. This certifies that the Semi 1/24th diecast model is manufactured under license of Tesla Inc. and is a true representation of the actual vehicle. Model S, 3, and X actually had this too. Very excited. Okay. Oh, it actually says Semi Truck. It's embossed with Tesla. And then here is our Semi. Because we can just back it right out of this plastic. Oh, there's the styrofoam. Found it. Probably just to make sure that doesn't bend. Yep, so it is plastic. All the wheels work. Oh, you can't even see the wheels. That's right, because of that. But all the wheels work, as you can see here. Now, these turn, and the little steering wheel turns too when you do this. Oh, very, very, very cool. Now, the issue we had with these back here is getting the doors open. So this one did not come with a little opener. Nothing in here that I can see. So, do the doors, oh, they open. It's got the two Model 3-esque screens in there. I love how the front doors are like suicide doors. I'm a huge fan of that. Okay, so there she is, doors all open. Looking great. We've got the single jump seat in there. But I'm seeing something here that I don't like. I don't know, do you guys see it? You guys see it at all? Anything? Comment down below. Mirrors, I hate these. I don't see why they need it because they have all the cameras up here in these little guys. And the real one facing back, and I think some facing forward too. But she looks great. Does not have an opening frunk. I don't know if that's supposed to tell us something. Has a single windshield wiper, much like the Roadster does. It is kind of cool to see in the back too. So as you can see on the bottom here, it is metal. Tesla semi-truck, 1/24th, made in China and 1903 down here. Past QC. So one thing, if you're watching this by chance, Tesla, maybe Elon, I don't know, I would love a trailer where I can put these on behind this. Yes, the scaling is wrong because Model S is not really this big in relation to the Semi. I mean, it's not terribly far off, but yes, it is not that big. But I would love to be like having these, like one here, one here, one here, one here. I don't know, that would be really cool. So if you're listening, That would be my next wish. Actually, I'd love a Roadster. I'd love the Model Y. I was hoping you would release the Model Y like at the event maybe or something, but I would love to add one of those to the collection too. Let me know what you guys think below. Are you gonna buy one of these, or did you buy any of those? And which color did you choose? Did you like match your car or whatever? But no, I'm a fan of this. It's definitely kind of like a niche market because it is $250, but it is very, very unique and very, very detailed too. Like they even have the little display bars that connect like this back of the cab part on here. They have the little motors. It looks like there's 2 motors for each axle. And even back here it says Tesla with the light and says semi on the license plate. Do these all say that? Oh, that says Model S. That says Model 3. And the X says Model X. Anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think about it down below. Let me know if you're buying one, what you think. I just had to complete the collection. I'm actually kind of a fan of these, so they are very cool, and it's great to see the semi. But yeah, we want the Y, we want the Roadster. And you know what? I'd even take one of the original Roadsters too. That would be pretty cool. But yeah, I guess that's basically it for this one. Just want to do a quick unboxing of this semi truck. I do want to see what it would look like in the garage though, so maybe we'll go play around with that. So this is what the semi would look like in my garage. Looks pretty sweet. I'm a fan of it. That'd be so crazy if I could actually fit one in this garage. Yeah, what do you guys think? Should I add a real semi? I'm very open to the suggestion. But as always, if you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, feel free to check out our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. Using code TESLA Inventory at checkout will get you 15% off your first order. They have all kinds of cool, unique products to accessorize and make your Tesla your own. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.